who do we have here today?
Laren.
Sophia. Aaliyah.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers today. 3 of you trust me to throw you out of an airplane?
Yep.
Do the other 3 trust the mustache to take you out of an airplane?
Spreading some of me.
You guys are all crazy. Whose idea was this? Your fault if this goes wrong? Are we celebrating anything today?
3 birthdays.
3 birthdays. If we don't make it to next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
I did my best. It's been fun.
It's been fun.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. Let's go rock the skydive. High five all the way across. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! All right, here we go. Getting it already. You ready to get in, get up, get out, and think about fun?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready? You ready? I'm ready.
No nervousness going on here at all. Let's go have some fun.
Woo! You got a good grip, right?
Yep.
Good one. Good throw, good throw. Right hand turn, right hand turn. There you go. Good job. Nice. Yeah.
All right, left hand turn, left hand turn. We're going to try to stay upwind of the target. Hold that right there. Hold that running. All right, you did it. You just went skydiving. How
It was
you feeling?
awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
what was your
feeling
favorite
awesome.
part?
I like spinning really fast and kind of plummeting straight to the ground. That was really.
You like
Also,
that canopy stuff,
yeah,
right?
yeah. When we first jumped out and there was like tumbling, that was really cool. I like kind of that was pretty awesome.
Yes, a lot going on there. You did so good. Thank you so
All
much
right,
for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!